In this video, I'll show you how to add sticky notes to whiteboards in ClickUp. To get started, open the whiteboard where you want to add a sticky note. In the toolbar on the lower part of the whiteboard, click the sticky note tool. Then click anywhere on the canvas to place a new sticky note. Type the text you want to include in the note. For example, you can write ideas, action items, reminders, meeting votes, or tasks you want to discuss. Once you've added your text, click outside the sticky note to save your changes. To reposition the note, click and drag it anywhere on the whiteboard. You can also resize the sticky note by dragging its corners to make it larger or smaller. If you'd like to make your whiteboard easier to organize, select the sticky note and choose a different color from the formatting options. Repeat the process to add additional sticky notes for different ideas or categories. Using different colors can help separate topics, assign priorities, or group related information during brainstorming sessions. Sticky notes are especially useful for project planning, team collaboration, mind mapping, sprint planning, and organizing ideas visually. And that's how to add sticky notes to whiteboards in ClickUp. I hope this video is useful, and if you have any questions, make sure to comment down below.